Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a single crochet. So to start, you're going to make a slip knot. Then you're going to put your hook through your loop and you're going to pull it tight. Then you're going to start chaining by yarning over and then pulling that through your loop. Then you're going to yarn over again and pull that through your loop. And you're just going to keep going until your chain gets long enough for your project. Once your chain is long enough, then you're going to put your hook into the second chain from your hook. It's going to go under 2 loops and over 1. Then you're going to yarn over and pull that loop up to where you have 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and pull that through the 2 loops. You're going to do the same thing in the next stitch. You're just going to put your hook under 2 loops and over 1, yarn over, draw up a loop. You should have 2 loops on your hook, then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. You're just going to do 1 single crochet in every stitch until you get to the very end of the row. Once you get to the end of the row, you're going to make sure that you do the last stitch. And then you completed the first row. Then you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to turn your work around so that it's facing the opposite direction. So for the second row, you're going to be going into each of these holes that you see. So this is the first one. You're just going to go in, you're going to draw up a loop, then you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through those 2 loops. You're just going to do that in every single hole that you see until you get to the end of the row. Then you're going to chain 1 like you did and turn around and keep going. You can just keep doing this process until your project is big enough. This is what your work is going to look like in the end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please remember to like and subscribe.